Hello everyone. Today my topic is referential integrity constant. So a referential integrity constant is specified within two tables. It means that once we are using a referential integrity constant, we have to create two tables. So here is the example. We have created two tables like department table and teacher table. In the referential integrity constant, if a foreign key in table 2 refers to the primary key of a table 1, so here we have created two tables. In this table in this teacher table, we have declared a foreign key, and this foreign key is referring to the primary key. This foreign key is referring to the primary key of a table 1, and this is the table 2, which is referring to the primary key of a table 1. So then every value of a foreign key in table 2 must have a matching primary key. So we have insert a value in department id like 011, 012, 013 and 014. So this value should be matched in the primary key. So if I insert a value 015 in the department number, and this 015 is not available in the primary key, this value 015 is not available in the department id, so it will come an error. So every value of a foreign key in table 2 must have a matching primary key, or it must be null. It means that the foreign key will accept the null value. Suppose if I forgot to insert a value in the department number, then this empty value will be a null value. So this value will accepted by the foreign key. So foreign key are the columns of a table that points to the primary key of another table. It means that it will refer to the foreign key of a table refers to the primary key of another table. So here we have created a table name. We have created a table name like department. In this department we have three attributes or three columns, and we have specified a primary key in the department id. So department id is the primary key of department table. So over here we have created another table like teacher. In this teacher table we have created four columns like teacher name, teacher id and department number and subject. So we have declared a primary key in a teacher id. So teacher id is the primary key of teacher table. So to declare a referential integrity constant, we have to specify a foreign key. We have to specify a foreign key. So this foreign key is created separately. So foreign key should be created separately in a teacher table. So foreign key department number. So department number is the attribute of this table teacher. So department number is the foreign key of the teacher table. So we have written a references department table. So once we write a references department, so this will be referred to this department table. So this column, this department number is referring to this department table. So I've given the attributes like department id. So this department number is referring to this department id. So department number is the foreign key and department id of department table is the primary key. So this department number is referring to this department id. So once we declare a foreign key, so every value of a foreign key must have a matching primary key. So here we have here is the example of referential integrity constant. So in this department table, we have declared a primary key. So every row of a record identifies uniquely. So here is the department name like science. So in this department we have we have 5 number of teachers. So in, for example, in one department there will be a number of teachers. So 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 here we have so that's why we have declared we have created another table. So over here we have declared we have insert a value like Anju Rai, Badal Rai and Suman Subba. So this teachers, this column is a unique, this row is unique. So this row, because we have specified a primary key. So once we specified a primary key, then every row of a record should be a unique. So but in these teachers like Anju Rai, Badal Rai and Suman Subba has the same department number, because in one department there will be a in one department like science, in these 3 teachers has the same department number, and these teachers are belong to the same department. These teachers are belong to the science department. So we have declared the same department number. So over here I have created, there is another example. If I declare a department table, so if I created a department table, and in this table I have created a column name like department ID, department name and teacher name. So if I created a column like teacher name, so in one department there will be a number of teachers. So again and again we have to insert a teacher name which belongs to the same department. So here Anju is the teacher of the department name, which is science, and Badal is a teacher which belongs to the science department, and Suman is the teacher who belongs to the science department. So these teachers are belong to the same departments, but it will violate an error because I have declared a primary key. So in primary key every row of a record should be unique. So here in this column we have insert a duplicates value like 011, 011 and 011. These are the duplicates value. So this will violate an error. So to use the foreign key we have to make another table. So we have make another table which refers to the same value. So that is how we use a referential integrity constraint. Thank you.